Hello students, Miss Slyman back again, and now we're going to talk about expectation. So we've got two different things we look at with expectation, and one of the things we look at is for individual values. So remember our liters of milk in the very first example? Well, let's now say that there's 100,000 families. So if we have 100,000 families and we're saying 8% of families drink 0 liters of milk, well, that means that we would expect that 8,000 families of our 100,000 drink 0 liters of milk. Yeah? So we did 8% times 100,000 to get this. That's this formula here. So these are our individual expected values. But if I want the overall expected value for all families, I want to say on average, how much milk does each family drink? Well, then I would want to find the mean. So I have 8,000 families drinking 0 liters, 20,000 families drinking 1 liter. So I'm going to do 8,000 times 0, 20,000 times 1, 36,000 times 2, etc. I'm going to add all those up and then divide by 100,000. Well, that's this formula here. If I separated these out though, I would have 0 times 8,000 over 100,000. 8,000 over 100,000, well, that's just my 8%. That's my probability. Yeah? So if I'm wanting to find the average overall for all my x values, I can take x and then multiply it by the probability of x and add all those things up to give me the average overall. Calculate this and I get 2.2. So what I'm saying is, in general, we expect families to drink 2.2 liters of milk on average. So this is our formula for expected value. So mean or expected value, I'm going to add up all of my probabilities times the x values.